At Sturdy Brothers, we think you should have what you need to take on the world every day. You shouldn't have to choose between style or functionality. That's why we're launching a new tote that's been handcrafted for everyday carry. Introducing the Craft Tote Bag. Made from durable wax canvas, outer and inner, and full grain leather straps. This bag features an inside liner with functional pockets for your cell phone, pens, and accessories. It's your perfect companion to help you win your day with style. And we've redesigned our classic craft tote and done some updates on the materials, the size. It's big enough for all your needs, and it has enough compartments and storage for anything you could want. To celebrate this new product launch, we're offering a pre-sale discount for a limited time. Get your craft tote bag today at sturdybrothers.com.